Hey you guys, happy Saturday. We're about to go out to the stores, me and hubby and I. We're about to hit up Sam's, I believe, Walmart, I think, and Snooks. So you guys stay tuned. Traffic. Long light. Long light. First stop, Sam's.
Another TV.
Hubby liking this TV. But where would you put it at? We'll have TVs in every room.
I'll put it in the front room. We'll get something new in.
TVs at Sam's, 70 inches. $649 Vizio. That's an LG for $649.
Right there. The Samsung. That was $627 for you. This is what we got in the room.
Oh wow.
Oh, they know what it is. Okay.
627 or 70 inch?
$629.
Wow.
So they got another thing, they got to compete with Walmart.
Oh.
So Walmart giving TVs away.
Oh, this is an outdoor? What is this?
Bowling. I don't know what that is. That's bowling, I know that.
Oh wow.
I'm pretty sure it's some kind of car hopping stuff. That's the numbers. You know, that's how they calculate. So as, you know, you slide over, there's 1 point, 2 points.
So this is a...
Some kind of table.
This is a dining set.
Is it?
Yeah. But you can, I guess turn it into the game. Oh, wow. Yeah. You eat on it and then you can turn it into a gaming.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's huge.
Yeah, see, that's roll. That roll. They cover it.
That's a little chairs. Huh?
Take us about 2 days to put this thing together.
Wow. Of course, it comes with 6 chairs.
It's really, really nice.
Oh, sham pillowcase. Yeah, just say pillowcase. Huh? Pillowcase is different from the sham, really. It's just a different, it's the same thing, okay? It's the same thing. It's just a different style, that's all. $14.98, I mean, might as well. Syrup. I remember these used to come in 2.
They sure did.
Remember?
Yeah.
Sure, $6.58. Yeah.
I really don't eat that much.
I almost forgot what kind. I always forget what kind that you like.
I need it. That way I don't be worried about no hamburger. Even no hamburger for breakfast.
Right. You want some, do we need some spaghetti sauce?
Yeah.
There it is right there. 2 of them. Or 3 of them. I think it's 3 of them.
No, it's 2.
2.
Oh, here's 3. Good night.
Yeah, for $8. I mean, you might as well get them. I mean, some things I do get from here, some I don't. But stuff like that, you got to keep on running back and forth to the store. Because I can't stand grocery shopping. I'm looking for the rice.
Probably further down.
Huh?
So maybe further down.
Yeah. Let me get the olive oil. Right. I'm surprised olive oil is $4.44. Oh, pay them $1.91. Wow. I saw someone with some chicken broth and I'm like, oh, let me find my chicken broth. Because I got to, we're going to make some stuffed pork chops. And I need that for my dressing. So I guess I get this, let's see, chicken broth, chicken stock. I'm gonna do the chicken stock. Yeah, that's what I always use. Chicken stock. Okay. Barbecue sauce while I'm here. Garlic. So far I got the bleach. Hubby got his fruit cups, my ketchup, spaghetti, sauce, chicken, stock. Got the barbecue, garlic pepper. Got some syrup and cooking spray. Pineapples. Oh yeah, thank you. Ooh, pineapple. But I gotta let hubby pick that out because I'm not too good at picking out the pineapples. He pick out the juicy pineapples. I love my avocado, but I don't think that I'm going to get it here. I'm gonna wait till I go to buy the Snooks because first of all, these are not white yet. Hard as a rock. And secondly, it's too many for me to eat. Too many. I don't want them to go bad. You found it?
Did you go look at the bell peppers?
It's a big. We were looking for the mini rice. He found some mini rice. No, I didn't look at the bell peppers. Ooh, who needs some lemons? Let's see. I always get my lemons from here. Sure, it's all good. Goes the cash. You won't.
But the cost $6.
Sure, we go to Snooks. It's gonna be the same amount.
You think?
Yeah.
What about these though?
Yeah, but I like the rainbows. But you can get the. But we can get those right there from Snooks and get like 3 of those,
yeah.
2 of those.
That's for $2.
Yeah.
You like these though?
Yes. That's some big jokers.
You have to cut it in half and get half to your dad.
Oh yeah, he'll take it. Trust me. Yeah, I love watermelon. That's a big joker. How much was that?
$6.
Ooh-wee. Is that the wheat? Here's the wheat right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, this is my bread. Sure, by the time we get back home, you still gonna want your steak.
I see you drinking.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, that's why I said paying them $30.
That's y'all let you have a big crowd, huh?
That's that good meat.
Yeah, that's that good meat. Now I eat some of that. I don't eat steak, but I eat some of that.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna give no $40.
What kind is that?
Oh, them a ribeye.
Oh, okay.
That's bitch.
Well, hey, it's worth it though if it's ribeye.
Try to sell me one of them.
Ooh, that's a big joker.
Yeah, he tried to sell it for $20. I'm like, man, I don't eat that. That's too big. I can cook that joker all day.
Yeah.
Oh, tomahawk.
Yeah, that looked like a tomahawk. $25, hey?
Ain't bad.
Don't mean with chicken wings. I eat the winglets. Ugh. But if you want that, you can cut it up for you. Can't beat that. Well, actually, $20. That's a big pack, but
Yeah.
I can just put them in freezer bags.
Yeah, put it in freezer bags. That's all they do.
You want to get one?
Yeah,
They got one that's 19.
No, they got one for 17.
Oh wow! Make sure it's not huge. Gosh, we just don't get none of that stuff no more.
Yeah, I remember sausage used to cost $7.98.
Yeah.
$8.98.
$14.98. Just don't be getting the sausage no more. I'd rather eat some sausage slings, the Polish sausage. And saute them jokers with some green peppers and onions. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, gotta get my strawberry lemonade. Ooh, this is good. My sister hit me onto this. This is good. $4.48. She'll get 2 of these jokers because I go through this. Oh, do I want to get some orange juice from here? Might as well get the pot-free. $5.78.
I ain't spread on lamb chops.
You like it?
Not spread.
If you put the right kind of sauce to it. I get my mini baby bells. Ooh, these are so good. With some crackers. I mean, I just have to watch what you eat because, you know, even though it's good. What is that? The sodium, 680 milligrams of sodium. Pre-made is not always good. The shrimp, make sure it's peeled, cleaned, and deveined. Yes. I remember my kids used to love coming when they was younger for Sam's. Just for their samplers on Saturdays. That it? I will get some pizza rolls. I love this big joker.
Oh man, she has seeds
Everywhere. That's the cookies right there. That was good.
What?
I had a sample of that.
Oh, that's what that lady got over there?
Uh-huh. Real good. Need to cheese it. And some peanut butter. These are so good. I can eat this whole pack. These are so good. Woo! I tried these before, the cauliflower. It was good, but it didn't have any type of taste, really. That's how I get it. Yeah, my grandson will go crazy over these honey buns. I'm gonna get him some. He loves honey buns. $5.98. I was looking for the muffins, but I don't see any that I like. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, time to check out. Got more stuff than I was coming to get, but I'll have to come to the store for a minute on certain items. Okay, we're done with Sam's. What, $250 later? Woo! This feels like the first day of fall. I love fall. I can't wait until fall.
Want me to use my hat?
No, I don't need your hat.
I'll help you out.
It ain't raining.
It's drizzling, huh? Yeah, it is.
Good,
right.
Better than they heat.
Hey,
Have a nice day. Woo! Hold on, food. Hold on. Okay. This rain just won't let us be great today.
That's all like I say, it's better than they heat.
Yeah. Glass is all wet up. Yeah, it's coming down on him. Last stop, y'all. Snooks. I'm tired. Let me get some grapes. I think I'm gonna get the red ones. $1.49 a pound. Okay. The tomatoes. Actually, they might have put extra in there because they used to be 4 in there for $2. Now it's 6 in there for $3. Gotta get some bananas. A must. I think that's maybe enough. I wanted to make a banana pudding. I don't know. Definitely need some celery. For my dressing. 10 for 10 mangoes. Well, I'll take some. I usually get green apples, but I think I'm gonna get some red ones today. Yeah. Here's a bag. Okay. I'm gonna get some pears. I'm gonna get one, or maybe two. We're supposed to be going to the farmer's market this morning, but the rain had us in the bed long, and we got up too late, so. So for here, we got our potatoes, our cucumbers, apples, tomatoes, the celery, we got pears, green peppers, lettuce, we got avocado, bananas, and grapes, and our mango. Everything that went up, babe. You ain't got no onions no more for no $1. I'm really trying to debate if I want to make some banana pudding. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do so. Let me see. Evaporated milk. I'm not gonna make too much. Do need some more sugar. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't need all that. Well, if I make some dressing, I'll let them know. Your kids know. Look at this.
That what you want?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the box of sorted chips.
12 or 11.
I get the $12 one. Ground beef. Okay, this is my chicken right here. Chicken wingets and drummets. No, well you can. If I'm a cook, I'm a cook. Gotta do it big. They finally got this in stock. Every time I come, they never ever have it. So I'm gonna get this. That's one of the reasons why I don't make banana pudding often. Whew. I gotta get two of these jokers. And I guess I'll give me one of these. I was looking for the Lorna Doones cookies, but can't find it. Oh, you is funny. Let me get my frozen food. Yes, the umbrellas. You can tell the umbrellas. Oh my gosh. He found some toothpicks that was $1, but he said they got umbrellas on it. Tear the umbrellas off. Oh my goodness. These are the toothpicks. They're $1 compared to the other ones without the umbrellas, which is, well, how much was they? $5?
$4.50 something. That's $5 for me.
We just tear the umbrella off. We just trying to close up our pork chops. We're going to stuff today. Well, for tomorrow. Time to check out.
Please proceed to register 9.
Register 9. You always got something to say. Well, we out. The last store run. Glad we got the detergent because I ain't feel like getting out and going to another store.